We're live.
We're live. Yay! We're live. Hey everybody, it's Tuesday at noon, so here I am, Keely at Still with the Kiss. I'm happy to report that we are no longer moving displays around and fixing floors. I know you guys, if you've been watching for the last several weeks, you know we've been in a bit of a mess. Well, we are done. I'm now standing on solid floor with no termites, and the floors are all looking beautiful. It was real touch and go, especially Saturday when I face planted in the alley, tripping on a rock in my tall shoes. Yeah, it was not a pretty sight. I would share the video, but there's too much editing that had to be done to make it, you know, for all general audiences. And to top it off, Jeannie fell too, coming to help me. Yeah, we're quite the pair. But despite a twisted ankle and a beat up knee, I've got these floors finished. I think I worked till 11 o'clock Saturday night getting them finished. I was to the point, because I wanted this done so bad, I said, someone's going to push me in a wheelchair, I'm going to get it done. So we got it done. Everything's like we want it, and I can't wait to show you, and that's what we're going to do today. The first part that we really, you know, kind of zoned in on and wanted to represent in a different way was our Rowan. And this is our Rowan area. We've got kind of the section in the middle. It kind of has a mix of patterns and yarns and a zillion samples, as you can see. This is just some of them. We have so many Rowan samples for you to see. It's insane. We have our mode area that shows the color palette for the season. This is the spring season color palette for mode. And I'm seeing me, I can't help myself. I have to fix things as I go. I like everything just perfect. And then, of course, we're so pleased about our big old shelves. There was so much Rowan. When we became a flagship, we were able to kind of at first put it all in the front. Well, the Rowan kept just kind of growing and really pushing out everything else we had, and we thought it was time to do something about it. So we really like the way that this has come together, and I think it makes it easier for you to experience the whole line of Rowan without having to, you know, meander through the whole store. And then there's more back here. Again, Rowan is such a huge collection, not just with the yarns, with the color range, but with the patterns too. In fact, from floor to ceiling here, this is all felted tweed colors. I mean, is that not crazy? Look at all that felted tweed. We have all the colors. So we're really super excited about the Rowan. Be sure and show them all our mannequins, all our samples. You might have been noticing naked mannequins peeking out in our videos and wondering what's up with that. Well, finally got all the samples on. It just, you know, had to get there. That's not the first thing we do. We got it done though. Okay, then over here is where we've put the La Jolla. This is all of our Baah Yarns. La Jolla, then we have the minis. We also have the Shasta, which is the worsted weight, and then we mix some of the Araucania, the Wasco sock in with it. While we're talking about La Jolla, the April color is here, the April color of the month. It is a very pretty shade of lavenders, nice and springy for April and Easter. Perfect color if you're looking for something to make. What I'm wearing, different color. I'm wearing the lightweight hipster from Hoe Locatelli, and this is a one skein project. So if you're looking for a little fun something to use, whether it's April or any of the other colors, easy and fun. And then here we have all our Manos. We have a big collection of Manos yarns. All of this is Manos. We had kind of had them together before, but we really like the way that they got a little bit more breathing room. They were kind of, everything was squished. We were squished. It's amazing. You know, we've managed to really open up the store. I think you can see all of our merchandise better, but yet I think we have more merchandise. It's crazy. So we've actually poked more in here. Oh, I forgot about Rowan. Something important about Rowan. Coming back. New patterns launched on Friday. Rowan Minis. Look at all these cute designs. These are some of the classic Rowan designs from more recent seasons that have been resized for little kids. Love it. And then babies, Bloom. These patterns feature the Bloom yarns, which are cotton wool, baby cast off merino, and Summer Light Decay is what they use to show off the Bloom. We have Baby Basics. This is from Martin Story. Has a lot of good, let's get to the good pictures. Good patterns for moms to be. Yeah, there's some Nana ones in one of these books. And babies. We have a little baby come in. Look at that bee sweater. Cute. Bees are really cool right now. But you can always leave the bee off if you're not a bee person. There's more for mama. Mama and baby matching sweaters. Gotta like that. That's Martin Story. And then Nursery are 12 designs from Georgia Farrell. And she always does cool stuff. Martin and both of them do. We have pillows. and blocks and a mobile blanket. Just a big old bolster pillow. I don't think you have to be pregnant to need one of those, do you, Judy? Sometimes I need about 3 of those. Baby sweater. And a nice blanket that could also be a wrap for mom. Did I skip something? Nope. Baby hat. Today we don't have to answer the phone and cut our video off in self-video because Jennifer's here. Hallelujah. We won't have any, hopefully, technical difficulties like last week. Baby sweater. See, I think this is a really cool piece. You see Nana there holding the baby. You see mom wearing it kind of like a poncho, but wait, there's more. Poncho, and then there's baby. You could kind of wrap up baby with it too. So we think that's a really cool pattern, how they've done that. All right. So that's the Rowan, the new. I wanted to show you the new books. We've had stuff come in since then, but now no box opening. We had to open the box and get it all out. Over here on our fun circle bookshelf, New Joy Susan bags. These are the bags Jeannie and I picked out back in January, and we love them. We've got the square handle, the circle handle, and these great little crossbodies that also have longer straps that you could, pair up or use individually. We're really, really digging those. Let's see, we'll go over here. We've got all our earth yarns together. We love earth. We've actually were able to pretty much group things, so we've never done this before, kind of by brand. It's allowed us to kind of incorporate the patterns with the brands, which we really like. For the most part, this is online. I think we have a couple other little things over here that just didn't have a place to fit. Online, we have Lang. Oh, looks like we sold some Lang today. We'll fill that up. Lang, Barocco. This is all Barocco here. A lot of Barocco yarns. This is Mirasol. And our sock yarns and socks. We have finished socks. If you don't have the patience or time and want some socks or want somebody to think you made them some socks, we can help you out. Queensland. This is just where we have so many samples. We're able to get some down off the walls and have space so that you can get a little more up front and personal with them. And we've just put together a collection of seasonal samples with fun spring tops and shawls. And then it kind of morphs into our Town and Country crochet collection for spring, which we introduced last season, that we still are totally digging and think you will too. This is about Araucania and our new Jody Long yarn that I showed you the other day. We have Lana Grossa, Trendsetter. What am I missing? Oh, we have some Katia yarns here, Mad Tosh. Finally have a better place to put all of our really cool queen bags, other than just sitting in the classroom in a whole corner. Yeah, they've been in a corner. Nobody puts Freddie in the corner. We're already out of the Brian May guitar bags. Although I keep telling you, if somebody doesn't come buy all those drum bags, I'm going to have one of those. Our colorway bags, which got a little messy here today. We'll fix those. What else we got? Nora. Nora magazine's been selling like crazy, but we also have, if you didn't get enough of designs in the Nora magazine, this just arrived. They have more designs than would fit. This is called Outtakes, and it has 6 breezy designs. I guess I had to call it something. Breezy. How about 6 more designs that didn't fit in the magazine? That's the, translate. So more of those. So that's new that has come in. Make sure I'm not missing anything new. Okay, everything else new's in the back. So our Nora's here. Of course, we've got tons and tons and tons of needles. You guys already knew that. More Nora. Blue Sky. All of our fashion, our clothing, I know it. I'm wearing one of the linen gauze tops from Namsar, and I absolutely love this. This is going to be really great, especially this summer. I didn't bring one home. I should have. They have the little tanks that go under it. I'm telling you, when it's hot out, this is going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect. What else we got? Let's keep going. Here's Jennifer. Hi, Jennifer. We just kind of cleaned up back here. We moved our buttons around. Got some stuff off the counter. That was getting a little crowded too. And we're able to rework our clearance yarns for y'all. We think it's looking pretty awesome. We feel like we can breathe again. Oh, here's what else came in. These are hardly new, but I tell you what, these just keep selling. About the time I'm thinking, are we gonna buy more of those? They go so fast. These are the shifting silk scarf kits from Beet Street. We have 2 new colors. We have this black and gray and this new green that has a darker green. And they're just fun. They have 3 different types of silk in them, and they make this scarf right here. Grab it and show you. Just a fun diagonal scarf. good little gift. I say we sell these all the time, so we just keep buying more. So hardly new, but at least we got some new colors. That makes us feel a little excited, makes it kind of feel a little more new to you if you haven't seen them before, so that's always exciting. In fact, everybody's been in ever since we kind of got it reset. Kids going, are all these yarns new? It's like, no, well, some are, but we just moved them around so that you can see them. So we hope you've enjoyed our tour of our finally reset store. We haven't done a big reset like this since we fixed the ginormous hole in the floor. That would have been, what, 2016? So it's been a while, and it was long overdue. We thought, everybody kept saying, around here at least, we need more space. Well, we're not moving. That's not happening. No way. For one, I own this old girl. She's, we don't know how old the building is. That's one thing about Guthrie that's kind of weird, is that any building before like 1950s, they don't really know exactly how old it is legally unless you just have the paperwork, because the courthouse burned down and all the records went away. So you really don't know, but I do believe we're probably mid to late 20s to early 30s. So we're really coming up on almost 100 years on this girl. So she's, yeah, we're always fixing something, and we're way too far invested to get rid of her, and we love her. So it was either build a mezzanine or find some, better way to set the store. We opted for setting the store. I don't think a mezzanine is in the budget. Now, if we could win the lottery, we could buy an elevator and go upstairs and really have quite the facility, but that's not in the budget right now. I don't know if it'll ever be in the budget. I wish. I don't know if I'm going to live long enough to completely do all that. I wish I could. It'd be awesome. Okay. I guess that's all I have for you today. I know new things are coming in for next week. I've already got ship notices on them, so we can't wait to show you those and what else we're going to be up to. Now that I've got this project off my list, I've got some really hot, cool ones waiting for me in my office. That's where you'll find me. Bye, y'all.